This is room 1028 at the Sound Hotel in Belltown in Seattle. It's a king room coming in. There's a big mirror here on the side, barn door, coming in the bathroom, bowl sink, Nest products. We've got the toilet here, comes with a bath mat, a cute little lamp here. This mirror with magnification. In here, we've got some Q-tips and cotton balls. Kleenex is here. More Nest products, my stuff on here. A big mirror, well lit, and a hairdryer. It is a shower stall. More Nest products there. And it has a wand and a shower head there. Big stall. Backing out of the bathroom. This is the coffee / refrigerator area. So refrigerator down here. Basket. This is the coffee drawer with all of the pods in it. Glassware, ice bucket, and a cute little lamp, plus bottles of water for us. There's a wardrobe here and includes a robe, ironing board, a basket with more blankets, and then a safe and an iron, and then drawers. Coming through here, a little credenza with the TV, the seating area with a bench chair and then another chair to sit with, more lighting and outlets right here. Then we've got this cute chair, lamp above it. We've got a column in here, which is kind of interesting and cool. Bedside lamp with overhead lights above the bed here. And then there are outlets behind it. No top sheet, but that's pretty normal these days. We also have wood floors in here and like a nice rug. I like it. Then a nightstand on this side, another light. We've got the radio, clock, phone, plus more outlets over here. And lastly, the view is of 6th Ave, just to the north here. So, big, nice room, and very well furnished, and I love this hotel. Here's the view in the daytime. We can see a little bit of Queen Anne and the Via 6 building, a couple other buildings, some of the Amazon buildings, I think the Doppler building's over there, a little bit of the Amazon Sphere, and every now and then the monorail goes by. And this is the hotel gym on the 4th floor. There's an elliptical, treadmills, a bike, some weights, exercise ball, some towels, and then a water bottle station.